Today, I'm going to teach you how to fulfill orders on Shopify automatically. This is a fantastic feature that can save you tons of time and streamline your entire order management process, especially if you're running a busy online store. First, open your web browser and navigate to shopify.com. Once you're on the Shopify login page, enter your credentials to access your account. Make sure you're logging in with the account that has admin permissions, as you'll need full access to modify these settings. After you've successfully logged in, you'll land on your Shopify homepage. This is your main dashboard, where you can see an overview of your store's performance and recent activity. Now, direct your attention to the left side of the screen where you'll see a navigation menu with various options. Look for the Settings button and click on it. This will take you to the configuration area where you can adjust all the important aspects of your store. Once you're in the Settings section, you'll notice several tabs at the top or side depending on your Shopify theme. Make sure you're on the General tab. This is the default tab that usually opens first, but it's always good to double check. Now, scroll down through the General settings until you locate the section labeled Order Processing. This is where the magic happens for automating your fulfillment workflow. In the Order Processing section, you'll find an option that says Automatically Fulfill the Orders line items. Click on this option to enable it. This is the core setting that allows Shopify to process and fulfill orders without requiring manual intervention each time a purchase is made. Once you've selected that option, you'll see two additional checkboxes appear below it. The first checkbox is Notify customers of their shipment. I highly recommend checking this box because it automatically sends your customers an email notification when their order is fulfilled, keeping them informed and improving their overall shopping experience. The second checkbox says Automatically fulfill all orders, even those with a high risk of fraud. This one requires a bit more consideration. If you check this box, Shopify will fulfill every order regardless of potential fraud indicators. Use this cautiously and only if you have other fraud prevention measures in place. After you've made your selections and checked the appropriate boxes based on your business needs, look for the Save button, typically located at the bottom of the settings page. Click Save to apply all these changes to your store. Your settings will now be updated and your Shopify store will automatically fulfill orders according to the preferences you've just configured. And there you have it, your Shopify store is now set up to handle order fulfillment automatically, freeing up your time to focus on other important aspects of your business. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.